Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on soon.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. I hope everything is wonderful in your world. It is the day after Thanksgiving. It is gray and dreary and raining outside, and so it's the perfect day for me to film. I did not eat too much. I'm super proud of myself. I did eat some good stuff, but I didn't overdo it. Today I come to you with a video with my collab group. Well, most of my collab group are doing this, and that is the Magnificent Seven, and that includes Jamie and Kimberly and Courtney and Nona and Chip and Jamie and me. I don't think everybody's going to do this, but most of us are, so I'll put the whole group down in my links regardless. But we are going to use the Spotlight palette by UCANBE. You guys know I'm a fan of UCANBE, and this, I mean, how pretty is that anyway? Like, how pretty is the packaging anyway? It does come with a sleeve, but I already got rid of that. But this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? There is a transition, there's a matte cream shade, there's a dark brown, and a black, which is everything that you need along with color. And I love that. So I'm going to go through here and count how many mattes, how many shimmers. It looks to me like there's 20 mattes and 20 shimmers. So how nice of them to be symmetrical for me. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to get my face makeup on, and then I'll come back to kind of tell you my game plan. Okay, that took forever. Really took forever. So I'm going to zoom you in, and we're going to get started on my eyes. I am just going to show you what I'm using in the palette and go for it. So welcome to my face.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Did you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warmth, but you know I feel the coldest when I'm wrapped around your finger. Did you notice that you put me through the wrinkle when you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you? I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge. This can't be all I am. Cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it, the drugs aren't working. Did you notice when I passed you yesterday that I was frozen? Thinking, flashing back, I can't live in the moment. My heart's still in the past, but we ain't spoken since you left me broken. When you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you, I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge. Top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great when I'm burnt out. Cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am. Cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it, the drugs aren't working. Now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am. Cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't working, the drugs aren't working.
Heard the shadow rocket to the moon, but it ran out of fuel. A chance was lost for a hero to be made. They shook their heads and said, what a shame. This was no death, but a rebirth. I release you back to earth, so you fell to the sea just off the coast of Aberdeen. You know me, and I can't hold a weight like this.
Okay, I wanted to give you a close-up. I put on some lashes without liner. I'm not sure how I feel about it. The lippy that I have on is Gerard Cosmetics Ecstasy Hydra Matte. So, ta-da! This is the finished look. You guys are gonna have to tell me what you think about my lashes without the liner. I feel like they look wonky. Do they look wonky? I hope not. But anyway, I really love this palette. I was really wanting something purpley. I think it turned out really pretty and I like it. Everything worked out really well. I like the shadows. The shimmers could have been creamier and easier to put on. I struggled with the one a little bit, but I think I can work with it regardless. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you to all my girls for collabing with me again. I have enjoyed all of our collabs and I can't wait to see the looks that you guys came up with the Spotlight palette. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. There's a...
So I think me